This is my crispy baked fish recipe. Look at that platter of goodness. Easy cleanup with a tin foil tray. Crispy baked fish with an aioli sauce. I originally wrote this recipe a few years back for a fishing show and that I cooked on, and I did it with grouper called super grouper. We're going to use mahi today instead of grouper, and what we're going to do is we're going to cook it in tin foil for easy cleanup. So I'm just going to take this piece of tin foil and form it into a little foil tray. There, I made a foil tray for easy cleanup, and I'm going to serve the fish in the tray too. I've got the grill set at 375 degrees, and what we're going to do is take 2 tablespoons of butter and just kind of paint a little on the bottom here, like this. Perfect. For the fish, I'm going to take some fresh lemon juice and just wipe it across the fish like this on both sides. I'm going to salt and pepper the fish on both sides. I've got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm just going to paint that right on the top. Okay, that's nicely covered. Now I've got some Parmesan cheese. I've got 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to sprinkle that on the top. This serves 2 people. Now I've got a 1/4 cup of crushed pork rinds, which I'm going to put on the top. It's okay if you spill over the sides too, because the butter's going to soak it up. How can we make it better? With butter. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, which is just going to drizzle right on the top like this. Right onto the fish. The mayonnaise, the butter, it just all bakes right in. It's so good. You can do this with any kind of fish you like, really. That's a nice looking piece of fish right now. So I'm going to put this in for about 12 minutes at 375. This crispy baked fish smells great. I checked it with my thermopen, and the temperature that I like is 132 degrees. Let's have a look at it. See, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? I'm going to serve this right in the tin foil. I'll put some green beans on the back, toasted almond slivers. This is the fresh aioli sauce. I'll just put that right in the front with a little spoon like that. And there's some more lemon to go on top. Look at that crispy baked fish. That's the easiest fish dish to do on the grill. You can do it in the oven if you want, but the grill's more fun. Thanks for watching.